This is episode 2. Welcome to episode 2. That was lame. Oh, now he does. Now he does it. Now he does it. Okay, take 2 on episode 2. You ready? Welcome to episode 2. There we go. All right, now we'll edit that in. Okay. Giving some updates here.
We put on a new
that looks shiny and new. What is it?
Air filter.
Yep. And what's this piece?
I forget.
The adapter. Right. Painted a couple extra parts. Greased the throttle and the brake levers. So we printed a speedometer mount and a switch box for the front. But we redid our wiring. All nice and cleanly done. With redundant kill switches. Looking nice. She's cleaned up good, huh? Mm-hmm. All right. We'll give a little race course preview and then we're gonna let the kid loose. Whew. All right.
Whoa!
Nice and smooth. Keep yourself locked in that seat, okay? Keep yourself locked in so you stay right behind that wheel and in the spot to steer and drive the best. All right? Don't be so jerky. Drive her smooth, not hard. Hit it.
That.
Okay, hey, you're okay. Okay, no crying. Hey, you're scared. You're not hurt, are you? Did you hit anything? Huh? Did you hit anything? Don't cry. I want to make sure you're okay. I give a shit about the cart. I can weld the cart. I can't weld you. Are you okay? Just scared you? Told you them curbs are hurt. Okay? You all right? All right, you're good. You're good, Bubba. Sure you're okay?
Yeah.
All right. That's a chip. Trust me, people that have licenses and drive cars do that worse than you trying to race a go-kart. You're okay. All right. We're learning to respect. Okay. That's why I had your helmet on tonight. Because I know you, and you was pushing it. You was throwing her sideways right here. And then you were throwing her sideways there, right? Now, throwing her sideways twice is 2 corners, right? So we need to smooth that out and make it one big corner. I want to make sure everything's okay with you. That cart can sit there. Now, if that happens, you just kill it. You just kill your cart, get out, make sure you're okay. Okay, slowly take it off. Did your neck whip or anything?
No.
Huh?
No. That couldn't whip or
Huh?
anything.
You didn't do anything? Okay, because literally I turned around right as it happened. It's one time I took my eyes off of you is when it happened, but that's how quick, okay? All right, just want to make sure it worked.
Are you mad at me?
No, not at all. Come here, my man. I ain't mad at you one bit. You hear me? Not one bit. It's part of the process, okay? Daddy's scared for you. Okay? I ain't never mad at you. Okay? I ain't never mad at you. Daddy just wants you safe. But sometimes I'm gonna be real. Sometimes fun shit is dangerous. That's why you check all your boxes for safety. Look at me. Those guys that say, I'll be fine. This is that tiny second, that 1 second, where if they don't have their gear, they ain't gonna be fine, okay? Now, don't worry about Daddy being mad at you. Worry about you being safe. Worry about the people around you being safe, okay? So that's why I was over here trying to get you to smooth that out so this didn't happen. But hey, sometimes you gotta push to limits, so that's how we learn. Now you know not to be so jerky. It's cool and fun to whip that ass end out, right? But you're flirting with losing control, right? Because then you're in that little tiny zone of control and uncontrol, right? I'm so proud of you though. You did good. Like I said, this kind of stuff can be replaced. People can't, okay? So if we damage our cart during racing, we get in and boom, and we're out of a season because we can't afford a new cart, then so be it. As long as we're still alive. We sit at home and play video games, we're still alive and happy, okay? Carts can be replaced. Sometimes it takes time, and yes, we can be sad and cry about it if it's broke, okay? But it's gonna be way more sad and way more crying to lose a person. I just wanna make sure my boy okay. All right? Okay. The other and Daddy will drag with you.
All right.
Just like so. Okay. Love you, man. You're good. Yeah, it scared you more than anything, huh? It's all fun until something goes wrong. Then it turns scary. Like that, okay? It's hard to kind of believe someone when they keep telling you that until it actually happens. And then you're like, oh, I get it. Okay. Now, guess what you got to do? Because you crashed out. Here, hang on. You crashed out. This is the worst part. It's the walk of shame. The walk of shame. You got to push your cart all the way back up there. So here you go. Put one foot here, steer here, and skateboard her on up there. Walk of shame time. The walk of shame. We learn our lessons one way or another. There it is. The walk of shame. The broken cart. He crashed out on race day. No, it's not broken. The thing's a tank, dude. Thing is a tank.